Hello dear. I am your host Jenny and today I will give you a tips about vegan weight loss. So let's get started. What is healthy weight loss? According to the WHO, obesity has nearly tripled worldwide since 1975. In 2016, more than 1.9 billion adults were overweight, and of these over 650 million people were obese. The fundamental cause of obesity and overweight is an energy imbalance between calories consumed and calories expended, says the WHO. The organization suggests maximizing the consumption of vegetables, fruit, legumes, nuts, and whole grains. WHO also recommends engaging in regular physical activity of some kind, depending on ability. By adopting a plant-based diet and engaging in regular exercise, or improving diet and lifestyle, in general, many people find that they naturally lose weight. Vegan diet and weight loss. Whether weight loss happens naturally when switching to a vegan diet varies based on a variety of contextual, lifestyle, and genetic factors. It depends, in particular, on the diet and lifestyle previously followed. For example, if someone consuming a diet consisting primarily of meat, dairy, and fatty animal products were to switch to a whole foods plant-based diet, some weight loss is possible, and perhaps likely. So here are the 9 tips for vegan weight loss. 1. Pulses and legumes. Beans, legumes, and pulses are extremely versatile complex carbohydrates. When combined with whole grains like rice and quinoa, legumes are an effective, affordable, and accessible high-protein meal. They are high in fiber, iron, folate, and are low in fat. Including these in your diet is an easy way to minimize calories while maximizing nutrients. A 100-gram serving of cooked chickpeas provided 18% of the daily value for protein, 30% of the daily fiber, 43% of the daily folate intake, and 52% of the trace mineral manganese, says plant-based cardiologist Dr. Joel Kahn. 2. Dark green vegetables. Dark green vegetables are rich in vitamins and minerals and even contain protein. Spinach, kale, and other cruciferous vegetables are low in calories but nutritionally dense, helping you feel fuller for longer. This makes them perfect for health-conscious, low-fat diets. Kale contains fiber, antioxidants, calcium, vitamins C and K, iron, and a wide range of other nutrients that can help prevent various health problems, says Medical News Today. Antioxidants help the body remove unwanted toxins that result from natural processes and environmental pressures. 3. Oats. Oats are naturally low in both calories and fat. Regular consumption of oatmeal reduces the risk of heart disease and colorectal cancer. Oatmeal is rich in thiamine, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, manganese, selenium, and iron, as well as fiber and protein. 4. Seaweed. Edible sea vegetables, or seaweed, is extremely high in fiber and low in calories. It is high in iodine and tyrosine, both of which can support healthy thyroid function. According to Healthline, a single teaspoon, approximately 3.5 grams, of dried kelp can contain 59 times the recommended daily amount, RDA, of iodine. Seaweed also contains fucoxanthin, which some studies suggest may help prevent obesity and diabetes. 5. Tofu. Tofu is extremely high in protein and lower in calories and fat than many animal proteins. According to Livestrong, a 3.5-ounce serving of soft tofu has just 61 calories, compared to a 3.5-ounce serving of fat-trimmed tenderloin which has 168. Tofu is a versatile, low-fat, high-protein ingredient used in dishes from curries to cheesecakes. Already a staple in many vegan diets, tofu is low in calories and can help healthy weight loss. 6. Sweet potato. Sweet potatoes contain more fiber and fewer calories than white potatoes, making them a healthier option. They are low glycemic, which means that they won't cause a spike in blood sugar levels. Irregular blood sugar levels can contribute to weight gain and diabetes. 7. Whole grains. Eating whole grain carbohydrates such as brown rice, pasta, and quinoa is also central to many healthy diets. Whole grains contain more dietary fiber than their refined counterparts. Whole grain foods contribute to good cardiovascular and bowel health. Regular consumption of whole grains has also been linked to weight loss and increased metabolism by some studies. 8. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are high in calories and fat, but they are extremely healthy and can still support weight loss. They contain unsaturated fat, which has been linked with a reduced risk of heart disease. They are high in protein and a concentrated source of healthy energy. 9. Fruit. Fruit is naturally sweet and high in vitamins and minerals. Eating fruit as part of a generally healthy diet can significantly reduce the risk of chronic diseases. And several studies indicate that regularly consuming whole fruits can help prevent weight gain in general. Fruit and vegetables are important components of a healthy diet, says the WHO. Their sufficient daily consumption could help prevent major diseases, such as cardiovascular diseases and certain cancers. If you have any queries, so ask in comments section. And also, if you like video, please subscribe the channel and press bell icon to never miss our new video. Thanks for watching and have a good day.